Hello bachcho, let us read the question. This rate of steady volume flow of water through capillary tube of length L and radius R under a pressure difference of P is V. The tube is connected with another tube of the double of length and half the radius in series. Then the rate of steady volume flow through them is pressure difference across the combination is P. Option A V by 18, option B V by 17, option C V by 2, option D V by 33. तो इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है rate of volume flow. The rate of volume flow is defined as the amount of liquid that passes through a given area. तो अगर हम rate of flow को V से डिनोट करेंगे then it is given by P1 minus P2 by R. तो P1 और P2 are the pressures at the two ends. तो this difference in pressure को अगर हम P से represent करेंगे then it is divided by R. तो यहाँ पे R is called as the resistance to flow और R का the resistance to flow इसका expression है it is given by 8 eta L divided by pi R power 4. तो यहाँ पे terms क्या क्या मतलब रखते हैं. Eta is viscosity of the fluid, L is the length of the capillary या length of the tube, and R is the radius of the tube. तो इससे हम ये देख सकते हैं कि the volume flow rate ज़्यादा होगा if the resistance is smaller, and it will be more if the resistance is more तो volume flow rate कम होगा. So they are inversely proportional to each other. तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले जो डिटेल्स क्वेश्चन में दिए हैं हम उसको नोट करेंगे. सो गिवन तो ये दिए हैं कि लेंथ ऑफ द फर्स्ट ट्यूब और द फर्स्ट कैपिलरी, लेंथ ऑफ क्या कैपिलरी, ओके, लेंथ ऑफ कैपिलरी 1 उसको दिए है L. देन नेक्स्ट दिए है कि रेडियस ऑफ कैपिलरी 1 तो उसका R दिए है. नेक्स्ट ये कह रहे हैं कि another capillary of length which is the first capillary, so they are connected in series. So length of capillary 2 is 2 times L. उस capillary का radius है half of the first capillary, so therefore capillary or radius of capillary 2 is R by 2. और ये दिए है कि they are connected in series. तो पहले let us see what the flow rate, volume flow rate for the first capillary is. So the other thing they have given is pressure difference between the combination, उसको P दिए है. So this will be P by R1. So R1 is 8 eta L by pi R power 4. Next, we will calculate कि वॉल्यूम फ्लो रेट फॉर द सेकेंड कैपिलरी कितना है, क्योंकि प्रेशर डिफरेंस वही है. सो दिस विल बी P by R2. Now R2 will be 8 eta. Length of the second capillary है 2L and the radius is half of the first to the power of 4. तो अगर हम इसको आगे सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, so we will get this as 8 eta L by pi R power 4 into 32. तो यहाँ पे 2L है, 2 to the power of 4 16 है, तो ये 16 यहाँ से ऊपर जाएगा. So this will become 32. So this is equal to 32 times R1. So because the capillaries are in series, so we can say the combination, V combination, that is the volume flow rate of the combination, is given by P by R1 plus R2. जैसे कि the resistances, when they are in series, they are always added up. So यहाँ पर भी electrical resistance जैसे add होते हैं, यहाँ पर भी the flow resistance will get added up. So this is P by R1 plus अभी हमें ये मिला है कि R2 is 32 times R1. So this is equal to P by 33 R1. But P by R1 is nothing but V1 by 33. This is what the flow rate, V1 is the flow rate in the first tube. So we get the flow rate, combination का flow rate का हम ये calculate करते हैं कि it is V by 33. तो अभी हम correct option को question पे mark करेंगे. The rate of steady volume flow through the combination is, the correct answer is V by 33. The correct option is option D. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.